All right, good morning. We made it through the morning, dusting off the car here, and looks like the snow has stopped a little bit, so we are going to attempt to make the drive to Phoenix right now. So yeah, after a minor delay, here we go. Alright, so we made it out of the crazy snow in Flagstaff. We're in, I don't even know what town we're in right now, but there's not that much snow, so we stopped off for some food because I am starving. We still have about an hour and 45-minute drive, but it seems to be that we made it past the bad part. That was literally so scary. There was points where I could not see anything while I was driving, and especially being in somewhere where you don't know where you're at, it's a little nerve-wracking, but we made it. No chains, no four-wheel drive. Shout out to this Hyundai Sonata, then shout out to the guy at our rental car who made us upgrade to an SUV because we were supposed to do this trip in a little, like, tiny car. So shout out to him. So we're about 35 minutes from Phoenix and we made it, and it's finally starting to turn into the Arizona that I've always pictured, with cactuses and actual sunshine and green, just open desert. So yeah, I'm excited to be out of the snow, and it's 46 degrees. That's an all-time high on this trip so far. But yeah, we got 35 minutes to go, and we will be in, not necessarily Phoenix. My cousin actually lives in Gilbert, Arizona, so it's just south of Phoenix. So yeah, see you when we get there. Vlogging clothes. This is a raw. I'm a real deal here. I show the real deal. So we are cooking up some tacos at Kelsey's place. This is my cousin Kelsey. She is letting us stay here at her place in Gilbert for the rest of our trip, basically. And we got Andrew. Oh, what was that? Ouch. Well, we thought it would be nice, and she's letting us stay here, and we're gonna cook her some tacos. We've got some cilantro cut up, some avocado, some chorizo, and some Spanish rice. What do you have to say, chef? So it is now day 5, I think? I don't know what day it is, but it's now Saturday. We spent yesterday kind of just relaxing and taking a recovery day from all of the crazy snow and driving that we had. Today we are trying to go to a hike in the Superstition Mountains. I just flew the drone. On our way into the Superstition Mountains, and if you see the snow on the peak of the mountains, apparently that's like a rare phenomenon that never ever happens, so there is people everywhere. It's like a tourism trap. So we're stuck in a bunch of traffic right now. We're attempting to try to make it to this hike that I want to do before sunset, and it is currently like 2 o'clock right now, so let's hope that we can make it. And yeah, so far it's been absolutely beautiful though. It's 50 degrees. I'm in a t-shirt. It's been awesome, and the sunshine is amazing, and this is what I pictured Arizona like, not covered in 3 feet of snow. So yeah, hopefully we can make it to this hike and get some more photos. Alright, so we made it to the Superstition Mountains. As you can see, they have snow on the top of these, and apparently that is like, never happens here. The people are going crazy. It is packed here, and apparently it's some world phenomenon that they got snow. But it's actually crazy because this is my first time ever being up close to these cactuses, and they're huge, and they have like holes in them and stuff. I had no idea that this is what they look like up close. All right, so we got about a 2.5 mile hike to go back up here. Let me see if I can show you here. So the plan is to go all the way down there, up into there. About a 2.5 mile hike. All right, well, we made it about halfway, I think. I don't really know. We don't have like a trail guide. We're just kind of guessing. But we stopped to eat some granola bars and have a little picnic, and the view is pretty sweet. We made it to the top. There's Andrew over there. Gonna get some shots of him with this mountain in the background here. And just to kind of enjoy the view. It was amazing to just get outside and hike. We haven't done that in so long. I'm in a t-shirt. It's 50 degrees and this view is incredible. I mean, seriously. Alright, we just flew the drone a little bit with those clips you just saw, and I'm really scared flying it in the mountains. There was 3 other drones going off, and I don't know, it just scares me when you're at a high altitude when you take off. Yeah, this hike was amazing, and we're about to make the trek back down now and maybe meet up with my cousin and try to find somewhere for sunset. But if you've never been to the Superstition Mountains in Arizona, I highly recommend it. What do you think, Andrew?
Highly recommend.
Do it. When you're in the Southwest, In-N-Out is a must.